All the fam, estoy aquí, climbing a mountain. Check out these views. We're gonna get some better ones. I'll tell some jokes. Yo fam, Mira, on a mountain. Got a volcano right there. Over there is the volcano that erupted last month, but we got some cloudy boys. We can't see it. We'll come back to it. Just some light Jedi training. Yo fam, watch this. We about to go and show you some lava, boys. Right over this. That's all lava. And that's actual lava. Hey fam, when you think about it, a volcano is really just a mountain with a hole in it, squirting a little lava. That's all it really is. Here in Lava Lake, a bunch of volcanic rocks. That's crazy. Friends, fans, about to roast a marshmallow in Lava Lake.
And a jacket.
Just putting it near the lava. Get this bad boy ready. I'll probably speed this up, so
Oh, you definitely could. 100%. My YouTube channel has a no smoking policy, so please, Fans love it. We're gonna have to speed this bit up though for the fans. You just put it next to this metal rock stuff? I can take it out. I'm an adult. I'm forced.
got a roasted mallow. Wow. Now this is good footage. This is YouTube footage. Oh man. I bet this is a tarantula lair. Fucking volcano tarantulas. So scary and disgusting. Biggest thing about backpacking and traveling on volcanoes is sticking together. Here's good travelers. Here are my friends. You know, luckily my survival skills are maxed out, because these two, they wouldn't make it. Try again.
Your back bit, I'm talking.
Hey guys, Brad here. I put a hat on now. Hat Brad. See that lava? Fucking insane. Oh shit, I can't swear on my fucking vids. Sorry mom. You know, normal.
Oh my god, that's kind of it. Can we move?
Wow. Tension's high here, but luckily I'm an Olympic level gymnast, so it's easy for me to navigate. Guys, we've got lava. Real life lava.
Real life.
This is the coolest thing.
Okay.
I'm speechless.
Now I'm gonna make my way over here.
I'm gonna keep talking, but I'm speechless. Hey fam, Brad had a bit of a boo-boo. Fell down some rocks. There's a bit of an avalanche, and a girl was in the way, so I had to dive to save her. You know, but it's what we do. Some people call me a hero, but you know, I wouldn't go that far. Just did what anyone else would do. So yeah, we'll be okay. End of the hike, y'all. Volcano Agua,
That power line right there.
Fuego, and the one that we're gonna climb, Mañana. Qué linda.